Welcome to the Tower of the Americas. After our quick elevator ride to the top, you'll be taking in the best views of beautiful San Antonio. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece for the World's Fair, Tower of the Americas stands 750 feet above the sprawling Alamo City below. If you were to take the stairs up, it would be a nearly 1,000-step journey to the top. Relax and enjoy the view as we ascend skyward. Our first stop is Charlotte's Restaurant. Legendary steaks and seafood that just overlook the bustling cityscape of the world as the restaurant's stunning rotates 360 degrees. Grab a cocktail or quick drink at Bar 601 and enjoy happy hour weekdays. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck, where breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and telling just a few tales of Texas' colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas. We are so glad you're here, and we hope you enjoy your visit.
It's going to be over here on my side.